Congratulations, guys, you have made the right decision by clicking and playing this video, as I am going to show you how to make $700 just in one day with little effort. The method is quite new and 100% working. But one thing, if you add a little more effort, you can make up to $1,400 just in one day. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use Google News to make a minimum of $700 in just one day. This should be quite easy and a step-by-step tutorial, so closely follow each step. First things first, navigate to google.com and search for Google News. Once you arrive here, look for the topics that you are interested in or that are trending. Here you can see these categories and the latest news. Based on this, we will be creating articles and sending them to magazines that pay for it. Here on Google News, you can find the categories: business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. You can choose one category from here. All these categories have the latest news. You can check one by one and finally choose your niche. As an instance, let's choose health and then nutrition or fitness. You can choose any news from here, of course, the one that appeals to you, and then create an article taking the news into view. But you will not be creating an article by yourself. But it's good if you can, as it will maximize the money-making chances for you. Now from Google News, copy the topic and go straight away to ChatGPT to create the article from scratch. But here's a bonus tip. You can also go to YouTube and paste the topic there in the search bar. So if you find a video on the same topic, you can copy the transcript or extract the script from the video. Once you are done, navigate to ChatGPT and ask it to refine and rephrase it. That's easy, yeah? Okay, coming back to the article from scratch, here on ChatGPT toggle on the one-click prompts button. Once you are done, you will see a number of prompt options here. Now here click the option, Create Top Intelligent Article for Ranking on Google. Next, on this short form, leave things as default and paste the topic here, and then click Run this prompt. Soon, ChatGPT will start generating the article for you, and once done, copy the whole text from ChatGPT. Now it's time to check the article for plagiarism before sending it to some magazine. We will be doing this to avoid any copyright issue. To do this, navigate to Google and search for a free plagiarism checker. As an instance, we open this one and then paste our text here. Here you can witness that there is a little plagiarism. That's okay, but let's make it better by using ChatGPT once again with a different option. Copy the article from ChatGPT and open another window of ChatGPT. Again, toggle on the one-click prompts, and from the option click on Human-Style Rewriter this time. Leave the defaults as they are and paste the article here and click on Run this prompt. As you can see, ChatGPT has started to work on the article. Now repeat the process of checking plagiarism, and you will find that there is no more any plagiarism. Well, I must say that ChatGPT is amazing and has taken the technology to another level. I believe now you have an idea of how easy it is to make money online. Now you have got your article. There is no plagiarism, and it is now a brand new article. Now, before I make my next move, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Well, you can choose any niche or category from Google News and create your article. Now the question is where and how to send these articles. Don't worry, I will show you everything to help you make $700 a day. One thing I need to clarify is that several of the magazine websites require that you introduce yourself and reach them via email, so follow their requirements. While some of the websites just ask for some information and send your article as an attachment. Also, I will add the emails in the description below so that you may easily send your articles. So, for those who choose the technology category on Google News, must work with these three websites. The first one is sitepoint.com. They always hunt for tech talent. Once you navigate to this website, scroll down until you find Write an Article for Us and click it. Here on this page, read the tips, pitches, and finally click on Fill out our pitch form. And you can see in the pricing section of the form that you can enter how much you believe your project will cost. But they typically pay $100 per article. However, charges can vary based on the article's complexity and length. Since their payment mechanism is PayPal, you must have a PayPal account to receive money. SitePoint normally contacts writers within a few weeks of their content being accepted. The second is called alistapart.com. They are continuously on the lookout for new authors. You may send in a rough draft, a partial draft, or a brief pitch accompanied by an outline. They pay $200 per piece and accept submissions via email. They also prefer Google Docs submissions so that editors can readily provide remarks and instructions straight within your copy. You can also send a plain text file or a link to an HTML document to them. PayPal is a list apart's payment method. but it's best to confirm this directly with them when your post is accepted. They normally contact writers within a few weeks to discuss the publishing timeframe and other issues. Also, always remember to read their previous articles. The third website is called lwn.net. They are willing to pay between $300 and $350 for well-written articles. If you want to write one or more pieces for LWN, the first step is to contact them through email to discuss your ideas. Do not submit articles without first speaking with them. So instead, you must submit a proposal or inquiry. They can pay with a US check, a bank transfer using TransferWise, or PayPal. The next niche is science, for which we have 6 websites. Beeculture.com is the first one. They are always looking for articles about bees and beekeeping, pollination and honey plants, bee garden and forest management, and a wide range of other topics. They pay between $150 and $200 and ask that you send them an article, proposal, or plan through email. They often pay by check or PayPal. After acceptance, make sure to confirm the current payment methods with them. Authors are generally contacted within a few weeks by Beeculture. The second is discovermagazine.com. They seek articles that will teach, inform, and excite readers about science. Payment is typically $300 per article. Simply send your proposal to them by email, keeping it brief and limited to one concept per email. Don't forget to read their past articles as well. Payment options include checks and electronic funds transfers. They usually contact writers within a few weeks of accepting an article to discuss the following stages and the publishing timetable. The third website is earthislandjournal.org. They are always on the lookout for engaging and unique tales that foresee environmental difficulties before they become real issues. They pay $150 for web articles. Before submitting a piece, they suggest that writers contact them through email. They make payments by check or electronic transfer. The fourth website is titled hakaimagazine.com. Hakai Magazine's features take several formats, including stories, investigative pieces, essays, and profiles. They are drawn to scientific and environmental stories, as well as individuals and communities, and how they interact with coastal habitats. You must first contact them through email and make your proposal. Pay $150 or more per article. Writers should contact the magazine's editorial team directly to inquire about their preferred payment options. Humanosphere.org is the fifth website in the science category. They seek stories that are challenging and interesting about what is truly happening in the areas of global health, human rights, global politics, science, social, business, and the environment. It is suggested to email them first before submitting your article. Popular Science is the final website in this area. They are open to submissions from authors who wish to convey incredible stories about scientific and technology achievements in all fields. Your request should include a brief explanation of the planned story, as well as a description of how you intend to carry out the reporting. They read every question, but will only react to those that are seriously considered. They can also pay $1 to $2 per word, and authors should send them email questions. We now have 2 sports-related websites. SBNation.com is the first one. They pay $38 per hour for a writer. The second website is bodybuilding.com. The website releases fresh articles, videos, and training programs to assist the users in achieving their look, health, and performance objectives. Their authors include certified coaches, physicians, nutritionists, and athletes from all over the world. You may also contact them by email. We only have one website for the entertainment niche. It's known as artpapers.org. They talk about art and culture. Proposals should be sent by email. In addition, they want a short biography of up to 100 words and a writing sample, if you have one. Finally, we have 3 completely new health-related websites. Idea Health and Fitness is the first website. They aim to inspire and educate fitness and health professionals by providing current industry information and extensive research on fitness science, managing one's weight, nutrition, change in behavior, comprehensive health, program design, sports, conditioning, industry trends, personal and professional growth, and other topics. So, basically, you have a lot of possibilities here to start creating your articles. They accept a wide range of articles. You only need to choose a topic and contact them via email. They pay $1 per word and ask that you read their most recent articles. The second website is known as Upworthy. They pay roughly $150 per piece, with a $50 extra if it is shared on Facebook. For this website, you must also fill out a form and then wait for them to contact you. The third website is Chateau Lane. This is a Canadian women's publication that pays $1 per word for articles. They cover subjects including health, fashion, and beauty, as well as current affairs, food, and social concerns. Now, no one can stop you from making money online. So don't wait. Get started with a niche of your interest from Google News. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming money-making videos. See you soon with another amazing video.